In this video, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar and British pound US dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. As we can see that this instrument currently showing significant volatility as nearing to the monthly close, we might see a potential change of trend. So first of all, starting with the euro dollar, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that euro dollar from this support level there is a strong bounce to the upside, and with that bounce from the monthly perspective we can see that euro dollar so far has made significant move. Currently before the monthly close we can see that there is a pullback. As we have seen initially, there was a bounce. We can expect now deeper pullback on euro dollar, and this might lead this price back to this previous resistance, which is turning support here. If we look at the weekly chart to see how the market is doing, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, which is turning support, and expecting euro dollar to drop back to the previous resistance, which is turning support here. If we drop down to the daily chart to see how the price is doing, we can see that from the daily euro dollar also showing potential reversal. We have seen that there is a daily uptrending market structure. There is a bounce followed by this pullback, and we can see another bounce, deeper pullback. And after this strong impulse to the upside before the monthly close, we can see that forming a double top formation on euro dollar. Currently the market is breaking from that structure, expecting it to drop down further to this previous support level. If we drop down to the intraday time frame, we can see that euro dollar in this area there is a support here, support here, support here, and also for our support. After this consolidation we can see that euro dollar breaking from that support level. Currently this candle closing in 2 minutes from this time of recording, and what I think that if this candle closing below, we can expect a retest of this previous support, which is turning resistance. From that zone we can expect euro dollar to give us potential downtrending trading opportunities. So this is where you will be looking for entry opportunity if we see suitable price action confirmation. If we look at the GBPUSD, we can see that the similar kind of pattern from the intraday, we see this forming a head and shoulder. If we look at the monthly chart on British pound US dollar, we can see that from the monthly perspective, this is the monthly impulse on British pound US dollar. And with that monthly impulse, the price is above this resistance line, expecting it to move back up further. If we drop down to the weekly chart to see, we can see that this is the weekly candle, which is almost nearing end of the week. And so far this week we saw initial bounce. Currently the market is dropping back down to the weekly support level. We can expect further downside on British pound US dollar. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that from the daily there is a long bearish candle followed by daily doji formation. And what we can see on the lower time frame that this move on GBPUSD is potential liquidity gap, and we can expect now GBPUSD to drop back to another liquidity zone, which is an important support level. If we look at the intraday perspective, we can see there is a head, left shoulder, and the right shoulder, which is a potential head and shoulder formation. We'll be waiting for further confirmation for a change of trend. If we see that GBPUSD has given a suitable confirmation according to the rules of our strategies, we will be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. In addition, you can join the free Telegram channel. You can find link below this video for more trade ideas and education like that. With that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.